you something really nice. I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely vegetarian dish. Anyone can have it. Callaloo rice. Well, callaloo is a thing like this. It is green. Most people in the Caribbean, they have it for breakfast. Some people have it. You can get it even in patty, callaloo patty. Well, today I'm gonna make you some callaloo rice. With the callaloo rice, you can have it with anything: jerk chicken, fried chicken, you name it. You can have it with anything you like. But I'm gonna show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely callaloo rice. Remember, if you like the recipe, please leave your comments in the comments box. Please, guys, it's very important for me, and that's where I learn. Well, today I'm gonna show you the whole recipe how to make the callaloo rice. And the callaloo rice, if you're at home and you make some fried chicken, you can have it. So enjoy the recipe, and remember, visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk. Sign up for free. You might win a cookbook. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Right here, I have some spring onion, fresh thyme, and also half of a white onions and some fresh garlic. Right here I have a spoon of butter. I got 280 grams of callaloo. You can get the tin one at the local shop, or you can go to the local market and buy the fresh one and cook it and use it to make your callaloo rice. We got some salt and some pepper which you're gonna have inside of it. Right over here I have half cups of coconut milk. You can use the one in the tin, or you can use the one that came in the black, or if you want to make your own coconut juice by grating the coconut and making natural coconut juice. But I'm just using one in the tin. And right here I have a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper which we're going to use also inside of it. We're going to make you a nice, lovely callaloo rice. We have some sugar which we're going to also put inside of it, just a spoon of sugar also. So enjoy the recipe as I show you how to make the Jamaican. Inside of this little medium pot right here I have 2.5 cups of water which I'm going to use to make my callaloo rice. First of all, I'm going to put in that lovely coconut cream inside of it. Half cups of coconut cream, a Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, and also I have a large spoon of butter which we also going to use. Really nice. And we got the spring onion, the white onion, fresh thyme, and some fresh garlic, which is straight inside of it. And also we got the callaloo right here which we're going to also put inside of it. 180 grams of callaloo, and as I say, you can get callaloo at any local shop. Give it a nice little stir. Also we're going to put some salt, a pinch of salt inside of it, a teaspoon of salt, and also we're going to put some cracked pepper inside of it, just like this, to give it some lovely flavor. And also we're going to put a teaspoon of salt, a large spoon of sugar inside of it. Nice one. As you can see, how it looking really lovely so far already. Really nice. This is the best way how to make your nice, lovely Jamaican callaloo rice. And simple. Cover it and leave it to cook for roughly 1 next 3 more minutes on a medium size heat. Nice. Then we're gonna just look at it. Wow, beautiful. Looking lovely. Look at that. Really nice. As you can see, I make it really boiled up. So what I'm going to do, I have 1.5 cups of rice. I'm going to put it inside of it. I just wash it. I'm using some basmati rice. So if you're at home and you're making a rice and peas, if you're using 1.5 cups of rice, you use 1.5 cups of water up to 2 cups of water. So now I'm just going to simply stir it inside of it. I know this pot is a little bit big because I'm just using a massive pot at the moment, but that's fine. Now I'm gonna simply just take it little time and then make it cook. Now I'm gonna leave this now for roughly 1 nice good. If you notice, I don't even have to take out none of the water, as you can see. But 1.5 cups of water, up to 1.5 cups of water goes with 1.5 cups of rice really well. So you can try it at home. Now I'm gonna just leave this for another roughly 10 minutes to cook, and then we're gonna look at it. So, nice one. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. Callaloo rice. With the callaloo rice, as I say, you can have it on its own. Or you can also have some nice, lovely fried chicken at home, which you made yesterday. Or some curry chicken, or any kind of rice, any kind of chicken or curry, goat, anything, or if you want to have it on its own. But just look at it. Really nice, lovely, and beautiful. Nice, lovely color of the color rice. And as you can see, I didn't make that even too much, just 1.5 cups of rice. But we're gonna simply just take out a little bit and put it in my hand to see how the rice tastes. Really nice. I'm gonna leave it for another 3 more minutes. Nice. So, look at this. I got it on a medium-sized heat at the moment. The rice which I'm using, I'm not using long grain rice. I'm using some basmati rice. But if you want to use, you can use long grain rice. But this is finished now. Now I'm gonna simply turn off my stove and I'm gonna just plate out a bowl of this lovely callaloo rice. So enjoy the recipe today. See the lovely callaloo rice. I just plate up a big bowl of it. What I want to simply say to you guys, you can always have this with anything you like at home. Corned beef, tin mackerel, you name it. Oxtail, curry chicken, stew chicken, beef, whatever you like, you can have callaloo rice with. You can have it on its own. I even put that lovely Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper on top of it. Well, it's a really nice recipe. So enjoy the recipe, and this one is from Chef Ricardo. And as you can see, it's a nice, lovely callaloo recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Lovely recipe, guys. Enjoy. And it is nice for a vegetarian dish also, because it's just veg and the rice. You can use any kind of rice you like, brown rice, long grain rice, short grain rice, any rice you like to make callaloo rice. That's the beauty I love with callaloo rice. You can use any kind of rice. So enjoy the recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe. It's a nice recipe, and I want to tell you something. You can have it with anything. This is the recipe how to make callaloo rice. You can have it on its own. It's just really nice. So enjoy the callaloo rice. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Program.